Talking about you, what is your full name? My name full is Liliana Matamoros Wayane. What is your favorite day of the week? And what do you usually do in the? My favorite day is Friday, and played futsal. Talking about your family. How many members in your family and there? We were total of 7 members in my family. What are their names and jobs? Their names are Theodora is of house. Celestina is students in university. Rudy is student in technology. Janet is student in technology. Maribel Rocio and Abilia are students of college. How much do you spend what them? Who's Steve White them of Saturday and Sunday of